Hello, I am the Android.
Hey, I am better. I am an iPod Touch.
Yes, but Androids are cheaper than Apple's rocket-high prices of $100 million.
Yes, but we are better quality than the Android.
That's not true. We are similar, I just lack some of the high-tech gizmo features you and I am more intelligent than you.
Yes, well, if you asked someone which is better, the Android or the iPod, which do you think they would choose?
Duh. Android.
No, more people have iPods than Androids. There's so many people today using iPods and there are only few with Androids.
Yes, well, you see, in 3 or 4 years' time the Android will be way more popular than the iPod. Apple will lose its revenue and profits and go into debt, and I'll come out on top.
Well, you see. Well, fuck you.